I've always said we need to look back on history to understand our future. That really reigns true in the world we live in now. The history that I'm referring to in this video is of the Jews. Their freedoms were slowly taken away until it was too late to fight back. In order to understand this fully, we need to compare past history to our current situation. The Jews were looked down upon for decades because of their religious views. With the rise of support from the Nazi Party in the 1920s and the early 1930s, Hitler declared himself the leader of the nation and head of the government. The economy was failing at the time until the Nazi Party boosted the economy with jobs for the unemployed, as long as they didn't go against their agenda. This encouraged many people to overlook or even to support radical Nazi policies. In today's world, you will see stimulus checks given to every American, or you will see more and more people living off of government checks. Some will have more children only to draw more income, or coerce relatives to give them what they want because they have zero work ethic. This in turn pulls people onto their side, making it easier for these people to be controlled. And unfortunately, there are more and more people becoming sheep. The Nazis slowly took away rights. They slowly took away everything the Jews had until it was too late. The Jews didn't fight back when it was beginning to become a problem. They just went along with the agendas. Sound familiar? That is what is happening in America now. We have a corrupt government who pushes agendas. They are slowly taking away rights and freedoms. Our children doesn't have nearly the amount of rights that our grandparents did. How bad will freedom be when our grandchildren or great-grandchildren are alive? I honestly don't think that we will ever make it to that point anyways. We are slowly combusting from within. When agendas are being pushed, say no. When you are told to do something for your health, but you know different, say no. When you look at freedom, what does that really mean? Do you feel you have that now? I certainly don't feel that we live in a free country any longer. All I am saying is to look at the bigger picture, understand how freedom is being manipulated, and then ask yourself if you're going to stand by and let this happen to you or your children. If we all stand together and say no, maybe our grandchildren and our great-grandchildren will have a sane country to live in. Prepare now in case your freedom is taken away completely. Prepare now so that you can take care of yourself and your family. Do it now. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.